accept all things. Once you've accepted it, you're not worried about the negative stuff anymore. That gives you a good attitude. Step 2 is deliver excellence right now. This is the only moment you can be creative in. This is the only moment you can affect.
This is the moment. It's okay, right now.
You deliver excellence right now. That gives you the best shot at the best future you've got coming, Bob. And it also gives you that reward they always tell you you're going to get, the reward of self-respect and the reward of satisfaction. These are big things. If you're looking for the good life, these are huge components.
Wait, what's number 3? Did I miss the third one?
Step 3 is never quit. You can win it starting right now until the last day.
Doesn't matter how old you are.
Doesn't matter. You deliver your excellent best right now.
You could be Regis, in other words. You could be Regis, Steve. Still, there's still a shot.
There's a thing.
Come up with this
from life.
Truthfully, I was at the bottom of my career. I thought maybe I was going to have to start another career because I wasn't getting good work, and I had 4 kids. 3 of them were not out of college yet. I didn't want to lose the house. And I was walking into the tennis park one day, and I thought to myself, oh man, how are you going to survive? And as an epiphany, suddenly I saw old Joe Stein over there. He was a tennis player. He was waiting for me. He was just hitting the ball gently against the wall. 79 years old, a psychiatrist practicing. He was still writing books. He had patience. And he could beat me in tennis, this guy. He could put the ball anywhere on the court he wanted to. He couldn't move very fast, but I got the ball to him, and I saw him over there hitting the ball gently, and I said to myself, man, that's the answer. Don't quit, Bob. If you quit, you got to get good at something else before life is over. If you hang in there, you still got a shot. And then the question, but how do you get from the hole you're in to winning it in the late innings? And it just came to me. You just deliver the best you can right now. And when you're delivering the best you can, you indemnify yourself from criticism of your own or anybody else. When you know that you are delivering your best. So
it doesn't matter.
All things, deliver excellence right now and never quit.
I have another way I tell young kids to get into business. You can go 0 for 95.
Yes.
But if you go 1 for 96, everything changes.
Oh man, you made it. Hang in there long enough.
Bob Forster, the
Oscar
movie called
nominations
The
for this movie.
Descendants, we might be hearing that.